So one of the other lights we're going to use here is path lights. We often use those. We're using a little bit of a different path light on this project, just because we want to get the light a little bit higher up and create a little bit of a bigger lit area. The shorter the stem, usually the smaller the area that you're going to light. It's not so much related to the bulb. So a lot of times I get asked, oh, can I put a brighter bulb in my path light? And realistically, it doesn't make a whole lot of difference. All it does is it just creates kind of a bigger center hotspot. So you're better off, if you want more light, try and find a taller fixture. This is an 18-inch fixture. The other reason I like this one is because this one adjusts a little bit, so we're going to be able to kind of shine the light where we need. And where we're using it on this one is not necessarily on a path, but we're going to light all these rocks and kind of this garden bed behind us here. And the reason I've chose this is because we're gonna kind of set it up back, but we're gonna have that light kind of cascade down over the fronts of it. There's two ways really you could do this. Again, with the wash light that I just showed you, we could kind of light some of these faces. The reason I haven't chosen to do that is because there's a walkway in the back. Sometimes those lights will be actually shining right up at you. So as you're walking down, those lights are going to be right in your face. That's why we've chosen this, because the light is going to be shining away, and we're going to cascade it down over the rock faces, as well as light up a lot of the ground cover here. So we've got about 6 of these kind of spread out. It's a fairly big area, and we're only using 6 because we're not trying to flood the area with light. We just want to create some contrast from this barbecue area and stuff right behind us that I will show you in a second, and how we're lighting some of the stuff there.